The Canon Errorcode 520E error indicates a potential issue with the printhead or main logic board. This error can be caused by faulty cartridges, paper jams, or a malfunctioning main logic board. To resolve the issue, start by ensuring the cartridges are properly positioned and the printer is turned on. Then, remove the paper tray and extension, and open the main cover, waiting for the cartridges to move to the center. Next, lift the latches to release the printheads, and gently wipe away any dirt from the metal heads. Return the cartridges to their docks, pressing the latches down until a clicking sound is heard. Close the main cover, and reattach the paper tray and extension. It is also essential to clear any paper jams by removing lodged paper and foreign materials from the printer. If the issue persists, try switching off and unplugging the printer, waiting 10 minutes before turning it back on to see if the error clears. If the error remains, it may be necessary to visit a service center for further assistance.